2 now. Guys, I put butter in it, and so first put pepper. You know, just not put too much. Don't tell your parents, can you put pepper? And just a little bit of pepper. Yeah, and it needs more. Okay, and that's enough. Sarap. Tapos, salt. There's a pinch of salt. Porque masarap. Sobra masarap. So, ganyanin mo yung kamay mo. Tapos, antayin mo hanggang lagay mo sa freezer. Lagay ko sa freezer, ha? Halika dito. Lagayin ko na sa... Lagayin ko ito sa freezer. Tapos, antayin mo sobrang masarap sa freezer. Takpan ko. Thanks, Tito. I put plastic in it. Wait for part 2.